In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot issues with Stripe payments not showing up on your Shopify store. This can be a frustrating problem, but don't worry, we'll walk through each step together to ensure you can confidently resolve it. First, the initial thing you need to do is log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings, which you'll find at the bottom left of your screen. In the settings menu, click on Payments. Here, you should see the list of all the payment providers configured for your store. Make sure that Stripe is properly connected. It's important to double-check if the account is connected correctly, as a misconfiguration here is often the root cause of payment issues. Once you've confirmed that Stripe is connected, the next step is to verify your Stripe account itself. Go to Stripe's website and log into your account. Once in, check if there are any warnings or alerts on the dashboard. Sometimes, Stripe imposes restrictions or flags accounts if documents need updating or if there are verification issues. Make sure your account status is active to ensure seamless payment processing. Back in the Shopify admin, it's a good practice to ensure that the products you're selling are in stock and that all product settings are correct. Go to your Products section, check for any inventory mismatches, and confirm product visibility is set correctly. Occasionally, payments may not appear if products are set as unavailable or out of stock due to inventory settings or scheduled visibility. Now, let's look at the checkout settings. Head over to the Checkout section under your settings in Shopify. Ensure that your payment capture settings align with your Stripe configuration. You should be either automatically capturing payments or doing so manually, depending on your preference and how you've set up Stripe. If everything seems properly configured both on Shopify and Stripe, it's time to look into the order history. Navigate to the Orders section in Shopify to see if there are any orders that have not been processed correctly. Orders might not show payments due to order editing or cancellations, which can trigger issues in the payment reflection. Finally, if you've walked through each of these steps and the issue persists, consider contacting Shopify support for more insights. It's always possible there could be a bug or an issue at a server level that only they can resolve. Alternatively, reaching out to Stripe support can also be beneficial as they can check for any subtle issues or account-related problems on their end. Troubleshooting tech issues can be daunting, but by systematically checking each of these areas, you'll likely find and resolve the problem with your Stripe payments on Shopify. Remember, regular checks and ensuring everything is set up correctly will prevent such issues in the future. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps keep your online business running smoothly.